Okay, we're on day 13 for Jenny's countdown to Christmas, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so it's day 13, and as you probably saw yesterday, I guess that it's likely like a quilt journal, some sort of notebook for sure. So let's open up and see. This has been so fun. Okay. It is, she believed she could, so she did. So it is a Missouri Star Quilt Company notebook. Let's see if it's like a just blank sheets or if it's some sort of journal. Either way, I can always use stuff like that. I think the front is really cute with it being a quilt. The sticky tape sticking to the journal. So let's see. I think it's really pretty. So it says this journal belongs to, and it has a date, and it looks like so it looks like it has quilt pages in it. So it says my quilt, and then you can put the quilt name, pattern, and quilt size, date started, date stopped, quilting design, piece by, quilted by, notes, occasion, story. And so then it has some blank pages after, and then you can do another quilt. So this will be really fun. I'll have to decide how I want to use this, if I want to start tracking patterns that I want to get going, or if I want to just track ones in here that I want to gift so I have memories of them. I'm gonna have to think that through. That's exciting. So cute. I love this. That'll come in really handy. I don't know the price on that. The diagonal seam tape is on their website, so I did include a link in the description of the last video and this video. It is $7.25. I didn't get a chance to use it yet, so I can't really give a review on it, but there were a lot of comments in the last video saying that they've used that diagonal seam tape before and that they really like it. So I believe that the box is up to $116.75 now for the value so far. So day 14, I am pretty positive I know what is in here. And even without describing the feel of this, I'm just gonna shake it for you. You probably know too, right? That is such a distinct sound. I'm pretty sure it's a container with pins in it. If I'm wrong, I will be so surprised, but to me it sounds like a container with pins. So we'll see tomorrow if I am correct. So I have had so much fun so far. Please come back tomorrow and check out and see if it is actually pens. Pins, not pens, pins. I don't think it's pens in there. And I hope you are having a wonderful holiday season. And thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye.